Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Today we're gonna do a quick glam, so let's get started. First, I'm going to moisturize with this guy over here. I love to use this toner. Just a little bit. It has vitamin C in it, so it's really good for your skin. And I love to massage myself whenever I can because it gives you blood circulation. Apparently, it's good for your skin, so give your face a nice gentle touch. Is your face a touch? This is one of my very favorite primer. It's by L'Oreal. It's the Infallible Glow Lock. They have a few primer, but this is my favorite. So I take a little bit on my hand like this amount, warm it up. I like to use it on the, you see how it makes your face like glow? Yes, that's what I'm wanting. I do my eyebrow a little bit because I like the glow down there too. So for foundation, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible 24H Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 485. I just picked it up from Shoppers a few days ago and haven't even tried it on my face yet. So we're just gonna do that today. Just gonna go to my mirror. It took me a while to finish blending my foundation, but this is what it looks like after. At this point, I filled out my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm just setting my eyebrows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. It's one of my favorite. I like this palette because it have warm tone, cool tone, and really nice, very cool tone, like not so dark but cool, like for contouring my nose. And the banana powder is really nice. That is a really nice shade. And for highlight, I really like this palette. Okay, so I like to start with contouring my chin. Take the darkest shade, tap out the excess, gently define that line, whatever I have left. Pick up a little bit more. The hairline is very, very important. That's where everything blends in. You don't want to have like your foundation shade not blending into your actual skin color. Like more contour. Onto my nose, slightly going to give my nose a little shape. With the brush like this, slanted angle, I'm gonna pick up some more of this middle shade. This time I need my mirror so I can place it where I want my contour to be. Number 20, medium light. I like to use a little light, so it's like to highlight a little bit too. like setting the face and highlighting a little bit too. So I'm going to list all the products in the description box. So if you have any question, you can let me know, or you can find the product down there. Check out my Instagram too. Discover here. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's very bitten up because that's what I wanted to use today. All my bitten up products. So here we go. Just a little bit of Milani, where I don't want glitter shine. So fun fact about this one is very, like, you see the more, and this is more like very subtle skin like glow. So I put this on first and then I add it on top wherever I feel like I need a little bit more glow. Okay, great. We get into it then. Tap out the excess under my brow, top of my nose a little. I don't like nose highlight that much, but just a little bit of Milani, and we are good. You see, it's like okay, more under your chin a little, Cupid. It gives your skin a nice glow, so I'm gonna take full advantage and make myself glow, make myself glow. That's my word, myself. Okay. A little bit under the C shape. You know the C shape right here? That's like a nice place where you can glow. And then I drag it a little bit on my cheek too, so to give myself more, like, because this is so subtle, so skin-like. It's all you need if you're going for, but I'm gonna go extra today since I'm on YouTube. People from out of art can see me today. I'll tell you. Okay, for under my brows, I don't like to use this brush because it's so fluffy, and under my eyebrow, I like my highlight to be a little bit more popping than this. So I'm gonna go a little bit on the Hustle Baby and just gently underneath, let that blend it out with this brush over here. At this point, I don't know why I'm whispering, but you see? Yep, that's what we're doing. For blush, we're gonna use this Milani Romantic Rose 01. It's one of my favorite. You see it's beaten up, but still the rose looks really nice. I like my blush to slowly blend into my contour. That's just how I prefer it. Alright. I'm still wondering, should I do a bold eye or... We'll figure it out. I like to put it on before, after, with makeup, without makeup, anything. This product is bomb. I'm always making sure that I never run out of this, because without this, my lips are dry. So for my eyes, I have this Milk Makeup Eye Pigment that I haven't played with, and I want to, so we're gonna play with it today. Put some in the back of my hand, just tiny a little bit. Gonna use it as the primer. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just blend it out. Do as much as you fluffy brush with my very beaten up Modern Renaissance palette. I'm picking up a little bit of Rossiana and working on my crease, slowly blending everything out and creating a depth. See? Getting more softer. Oh, and darken the corner a little bit more on the bottom line. So to darken the corner, I'm gonna pick up some Cypress Amber, and just work it on the outer corner of my eye till I'm satisfied. I just love to go over and over again with my blending brush and make sure that they're nicely blended and it's faded nicely. And yeah, it's more about your satisfaction. So whenever you're satisfied, that's when you know that you're done with your blending. And it looks like I'm not done blending it, so we're gonna blend some more. Bear with me. It's just all about making sure that it's all nice and seamless and blended, and you know, the gradient looking good. So with this one, I'm gonna tightline my top waterline and also go on top to make the purple a little more popping. And also adding some on my bottom lash line to make my eye shape look a little awake and popping. There. To finish off, I'm gonna add some antique bronze from the palette, and that's about it. Curl my lashes, put some lashes on, put some mascara on. We'll be back. For mascara, I'm gonna do my all-time favorite L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. This mascara can never move on from. Stuck. Just kidding, I love this. So I trimmed and put some lashes on, and this is the final look. And we're gonna use this Dose of Color Plump Queen. So this is going to be the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Let me know on the comment section what you think, and yeah, give me your opinion. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting more soon. Pictures of this look are gonna be on Instagram, so I'm gonna put my Instagram down below too. So you guys have an amazing day. Thanks for watching. See you next time.